Hi guys, welcome to Treyank Manmoji channel. Today we are going to learn 5 to 7 lines on rainfall. So let's start. Rainfall is a great blessing of God. Rainfall is necessary for the maintenance of the hydrological cycle in nature. Rain also cleans the air. In rain, dry river gets plenty of water. Rain is very essential for the cultivation of crops. All plants and animals, all plants and trees become so green. All plants and trees become so green. Last point but not least, animals also enjoy the rainy season. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.